This is the first question from section 3. It is numerical type. We are given a and b such that this is this and this is this, then 4x plus 5y is equals to, okay, so a is equals to root 18, that is 18 to the power of half, and b is equals to 1 upon 5 to the power of 1 by 6 into 6 to the power of 1 by 2, which is 216 to the power of 1 by 6, which is upon 1080 to the power of 1 by 6. Okay, so we have 3x plus 2y equals to, for the time being let's say this is p, and 2x minus y is equals to q, where p is log base a 18 to the power of 5 by 4, which is equals to 5 by 4 log base a 18, which is 5 by 4 log 18 upon log a. Log a is log 18 to the power half, which becomes half log 18. So we simply replace this, log 18 gets cancelled, which means p is equals to 5 by 2. 5 by 2. Similarly, we'll try to find q. Q is log b into 1080 to the power of half, which is half log 1080 upon log b. Log b is log 1080 to the power of minus 1 by 6, which is equals to 1 by 2 upon minus 1 by 6, which is equals to minus 3. Because minus 1 by 6 comes out, this gets cancelled, we are left with minus 3. So p is equals to 5 by 2, q is equals to minus 3. Multiplying this equation by 2 and adding these two, we get 3x plus 2y plus 4x minus 2y. So minus 2y 2 plus 2y gets cancelled. We are left with 7x is equals to p plus 2q, which is 5 by 2 plus 2q is minus 6, which is minus 7 by 2, giving us x is minus half. Substituting in this equation, we get minus 3 by 2 plus 2y is equals to 5 by 2. It implies 2y is equals to 8 by 2 equals to 4, implying y is equals to 2. We need 4x plus 5y, which is 4 into minus half plus 5 into 2, which is minus 2 plus 10, which is equals to 8. See, the only thing that we needed to remember here was the important identities or rules, if you may. Here are log base b a is equals to log a upon log b for all a and b positive, obviously, and log p to the power of q is equals to q log p. Using these two rules, we can solve this problem.